I never planned on coming to a prison. I never even thought about it. But once I was here, I love it. Hi, my name's Jane. I'm a grounds instructor at Wooroloo Prison Farm. My daughter works as a prison officer in another prison, and she spotted the job and she said, "Mum, that would be great for you." So here I am. We have a great crew, our grounds crew, and we maintain this whole prison, which is really nice. We've got just over 20 kilometres of irrigation, so that kind of tells you what kind of gardens we've got. I have a pretty good thing with the guys. They respect me, I respect them. Treat them like normal human beings. That's what they are. A lot of guys that have left here have gone back outside to work for landscape gardeners. I love it. It's rewarding for me as well as the guys. If you can help someone, then it's great. Even if you only help one person, you've made a difference. I enjoy it. I really enjoy it.